Hi guys, we're here at Jaka. Magkape-kape lang may kay. So very tugnaw, we need hot. Nasa Jaka kami guys. Jaka. Let's go. Look at the view. We're in the Jaka. Look guys. Christmas tree. Look, where is my my jacket? I forgot my jacket guys. Asa di akong jacket. Let me get my jacket out. We're here at the Jaka, everyone. Tingnan nyo. Hi, Ma. Hi. Look at the view, guys. So nice. Look at the view. Ayan. Ganda ng Christmas lights. Christmas. Hindi pala siya Christmas lights. Si Santa Claus pala. It's Santa Claus. Entrance. Merry Christmas. Santa Claus. Merry Christmas. Wow. Reindeer. Wow. Oh no, so nice. Uy, uy. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, this is so nice. Oh. Say hi, Wayne. Hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog ba?
Hello.
Hi. Say hi. Don't suko-suko. Hi, everyone. Wow, it's so nice. So nice. Wow. Oh, it's cake. It's cake, guys. Cake. Hi. Wow. Say hi.
Old ka or hot?
Say hi.
Old ka or hot?
So, kapili kong kape. I'm picking up dirty matcha. Oh, dirty matcha. Saan si Ate? Dirty matcha po.
Hi ma! Merry Christmas
Old
po! Welcome po ma.
Ice po. Yes po. Dirty matcha. Guys, it's so nice here. The Christmas lights. And look at the view outside. My mom. My mom is videoing. Christmas light again. Look out there outside, guys. So nice in here.
Wait lang lang. Picture lang po.
That's not yours. Siya yun.
Saan nakaingot tayo isa pala?
Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. Yeah. There's a fish. It's so cold, guys. Nagdala ko ng jacket, pero hindi ko din gamit. It's so cold. We're done nag-copy here. Done na kami nag-copy. We're going to Ground Zero. So let's go. See you there. So we arrived at Ground Zero. Yippee. So guys, nanami sa Ground Zero. Nanami sa Ground Zero guys. We're going down. Nagpa-parking lang kami guys. Hindi po yung nag-vlog ko ba? Hindi mo vlogless. Guys, nag-vlog ko guys niya sila. Kaya sabak kasi sila sa kong background guys.
Uy, delete na!
Awag kasi pa-delete guys. Imbis na nagdintot na nindot kayo nag-vlog. Nagyaw.
Uy, di ang diri no, hulog.
Nalalibog na dyan ni si madam. Masa siya mag-parking. Awa, ni baklay na lang ang dua guys.
Pan pwede hulog na ko kung sakyanan dira. Oh,
Awa, dua sa lali baklay guys. Kaya tabangan mangitag
patay sa'yo
parking.
daw itanong.
Guys, daghan nakikitao di sa Ground Zero guys. Daghan kayo din nag-celebrate. Ano sa kaya na ano sa ano. Nagyaway akong mama guys. Kaya layo daw kayo magbaktason.
Ito kaya naluoy na sila
Maluwi
guys.
na siya kay ganina pa. Sige, baking akong mama guys. Oh, baklay po sila.
Pagawas pa kay artista ni para i-assist pa.
Guys, namin dito sa may kabatuan guys. Nag-park. Ayun sa dali.
Dalaan ninyo dali yung jacket kay layo kay baktason.
So, ayun guys. Ninaog namin. Bubaklay. Oh my God, it's so cold. Tugnawa day, uy. Ayan guys. Aray ko. Naaramid din sana. Wait lang. So guys, mamaklay mi guys. Mamaklay mi. Dayo kay magbaklay yun, chard. O lagodoy. O diba, baklay na ko guys. Gibiyaan na ako sila guys. Di naman kalatang excited. Wala, dapat din nag-sucks ko.
Who's Heisen?
Baklay na na.
Oh, Philippines Eagle!
Oh,
Daplin pa,
Philippines
daplin.
Eagle. Philippines Eagle daw, guys. So, we're walking. Dagan kig mga nangadto, guys. Oh, guys. Oh, look, Ground Zero. Nanalibat na ng po viewers.
Ground Zero.
Pila to?
One Barbie.
Wow.
Dog.
I don't know.
Oh, hindi oy.
Very
Kigawak.
Merry Christmas. Asa ang buffet isa?
Oh my gosh.
Asa man sa
Dito?
Dala siya akong ma'am.
Okay, asa information.
Manay, trampoline ba?
Oh,
Ground Zero. Awal.
Wow, it's so nice. Kain na siya guys. Nagkaon na siya turo.
lalagay ko i-connect sa wifi.
Look here, oh. Smile lang. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Here kami mag-sit down. I'm gonna find our name. So ayan guys, buffet policy. Please don't. So ayan guys, the plate, the juice. Oh my god, so very healthy living. Nag-prepare pa sila guys. Oh no, it's so yummy. This food is yummy. Diba? Oh, diba? Bongacious. Oh, diba? So very healthy living. Gotta get to run guys. Gotta get turon. Gotta get turon. Hello po. Merry Christmas. I gotta get turon. Here, oh.
Anong turon?
Yeah. So, ayan guys. I'm gonna eat guys. Kasi gutom na ko. Gutom na si Ate Lance. Ang Maring Lance. Ay, it's very cold. So, kakain na tayo guys. We're going to sit down in the table. So full. Kain lang ako guys. Kasi gutom na ako. Asa naman ito nabot akong mga mother. Mga mother. Kain ako ng turon. Salamat kayo naka-block mo lang. Ay, ganito. Di ba nasa anak yung zip? So guys, I'm going upstairs. Aakyat ako guys. Kasi maganda yung view. Doon na galing sila mama. Tapos ako naiwan sa table. Kaya nagkain. Tapos nakuha ko pa talagang turon is lumpia. Lumpia pala yun. Di pala yun turon. So ayun guys. I'm going up. Wow. Christmas lights. Oh, wow. Ang ganda. Wow. 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 Chada. Ang ganda. Wow. Oh, the moon. The moon is there. Wow, perfect view. Okay guys, I'm going back. So guys, I'm going back down. I'm done here. So I'm going down guys. Going down. Kakain na siguro. Ano, baka mahulog ako. Oh my gosh! So ayun guys, di ko na ma-carry ang lamig. Nag-jacket na. Naka-jacket na. Hindi ko na-carry yung lamig. Sobrang lamig dito. Sobrang lamig. Give it my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, the same in tears. One special. Kain na. It's eating time.
Para di ilog.
Kain na. Healthy living. Healthy food. Oh. Dako kay lang turkey, guys. O, diba? Nagkain na sila, guys. Eating. Kain na tayo, guys. Let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Kain mo na po, guys. Guys, may ulan na dito. Ulan na dito. It's raining. Ulan na. Kapag yung ulan. Nag-iipot ko na tayo. So, we're going to Mommy K's rest. Nasa unahan lang guys, 20 minutes.
Uy, grabe, katugnaw!
Ngit-ngit kayo diri guys.
Siya ay basamok kayo. Ano ba?
Ngit-ngit kaayo.
Order siya ay
Just to get the
Mahiwi na ni.
ako.
Hala.
guys, panisa.
Lamig kayong hangin guys. Lamig yung hangin.
Hindi, good day. Natawa.
Hangin is so masarap. Galing na Christmas. Grabe yung hangin guys. Lamig sa hangin. Ang hangin is so masarap.
Miss, do you know, ma? The fireworks?
Oh no, so scary. Hala, grabe naman ni Kapag. Hi, Mana! Hi, Aya! Hello! Hi, I'm Kay. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Yeah.
Kuya Win! Kuya Win!
Picture kuya, picture kayo kuya. Kuya Win, dali na daw.
Kuya Win! Kuya Win! Kuya Win!
Si Mana.
Merry Christmas!
Tama tayo.
Gulay.
Hot.
Cute na gina.
Yan ang nag-give.
Nice.
Yan, cute.
Nagano pa yung mag-give na kay Bob?
Tangwan dahil mga damihan.
Vlog, i-vlog.
Bagay sa kanya outfit cute guys. Bagay ang sa bag food.
Hi, Mana.
Mana daw, mana.
Mano.
Hi!
Hey, house. Yo! So taas. Hi, everyone. Hi. Hi, everyone. We're going home, guys. Oh no, my hair is so fresh air. We're going home.
Yung mga cellphone.
We're going home.
Inay kini siya.
Merry Christmas, Mano.
Merry Christmas kaya Manoy.
Merry Christmas.
Munang bulak akong yatag siya may
Christmas. Hi! Wave hands! Wave hands! Hey! Sian! Hi! Hi! Hi!
Our family and for everyone. So with this,
Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright. You were dancing through the light, it's like
Kadara.
Yay! Clap, clap!
Anay daog eh. Hey, go.
Medyo mawayan.
Five. Sige, sige.
Siopaw.
Sumay.
Yoko eh. Yoko eh namin noon.
Shokay. Isa shokay.
Very good.
Wala na ako sila Jason natin, kabalong
Oh,
siya.
sige, okay.
Puli ka nilili.
Ako. Los Linda Escalarceno. Oh, Maria Linda Escalarceno. Okay, Geo. Next,
Coaching.
14.
Ay, very good.
14.
Sa di. Ako gani.
Out na ginawa.
One, two, ready, go. Again. One, two, okay, again.
CR. Nasa likod.
To Ate Bangag from my mom.
Uy, nakalakos.
To Zishan from Tito Ace and Tita Priscilla. Another set of chopsticks and spoon. Wow. Oh, may lalagyan. Lalagyan ako ng spoon.
Lamin na.
What's this for?
Chichi lagi ito. It's a clip. Mr. DIY. A clip and a sunglasses. Wow.
Bro, oh, you
have to eat this
story. You want that to happen?
Kitty. Oh, hello guys, that's the end of my vlog. Merry Christmas and see you to my next live. Bye bye.